Waterfall of Dreams. How did I write that one? Yeah, I wrote this one a long time ago, way back in 1993, by looking at a picture. I took a photo of some ranges way down there at the Great Ocean Road. Yeah, so around the Great Ocean Road, and there's some really waving of hills and mountains, and you've got the rain band silhouetting the hills. So by looking at the photo, I wrote the song immediately. Yeah, the Waterfall of Dreams. I love waterfalls, I do. And it's a good one for the people who are fishing out up in the bush. Yeah, up in the streams, snowy mountains. So, snowy river. Yeah, the Waterfall of Dreams. Please enjoy this one.
I hear the water lapping in my mind today. I hear the water rushing in the mountains where I stray. Fishing rod in my hand to catch a trout or two, along the rugged river banks and mossy covered gloom. But times today in my mind still hear the waterfalls. I long to go back in the hills where the water calls. The rushing sound of water, the breeze blows through the trees, the tinkling sound of bellbirds, the waterfall of dreams. I hear the water calling and calling me to come. Very soon I'll pack my gear where the rippling waters run. No matter if it's raining, that's best of all, you see. With my fishing bag across my back and a fishing rod, I'm free. But times today in my mind still hear the waterfalls. I long to go back in the hills where the water calls. The rushing sound of water, breeze blows through the trees, tinkling sound of bellbirds, the waterfall of dreams. There's times today in my mind still hear the waterfalls. I long to go back in the hills where the water calls. The rushing sound of water, breeze blows through the trees, tinkling sound of bellbirds,